video, we shall discuss about the chapter differentials, errors and approximations, which is a part of application of derivative included in the syllabus of class 12. Okay. So, you can see this is the curve of y equal to f of x. This is the arbitrary point x comma y. Let this delta x, it is the increment in x. So, for this delta x, the increment in y, that is this part, which is known as delta y. So, coordinate of this point x plus delta x comma y plus delta y. So, if limit delta x tends to 0, then this delta y by delta x is known as dy dx or f dash x. Okay. Now, if we do not take this limit delta x tends to 0, then in these two values there are a very small difference. Let that difference is epsilon, that is delta y by delta x is equal to dy dx minus epsilon, where epsilon is a very small value. Okay. Now, from this equation we can say delta y equal to dy dx into delta x minus epsilon into delta x. Epsilon is a very small value, and when delta x tends to 0, then epsilon also tends to 0. So, product of these two small values, it can be neglected. So, ultimately we will get delta y equal to dy dx into delta x, which is known as differential. This dy dx into delta x is known as differential of y or f of x. Okay. Now, this delta x is known as absolute error, delta x by x is known as relative error, and delta x by x into 100, that will be called as percentage error. Okay. Let us see the approximations and some approximated values by doing some problems. Using differentials, we have to find the approximated value of 82 to the power 1 by 4 and root over of 0.037. Okay. So, at first let y equal to this f of x, that is equal to x to the power 1 by 4. Now, differentiation of y with respect to x, that is equal to 1 by 4 into x to the power minus 3 by 4. Okay. Now, let x equal to 81, then delta x equal to, as it is 82, if we took x is equal to 81, then delta x is equal to 1, as 81 plus 1, that is equal to 82. Okay. So, f of 81, that is equal to 82, 1 to the power 1 by 4 equal to 3. Now, what we know? F of x plus delta x, that is y plus delta y, differential of y. Then what is the value of y? That is f of x when x equal to 81. So, f of 81 plus 1, that is 82 to the power 1 by 4, that is equal to y, that means 81 to the power 1 by 4 plus delta y, that means differential of y dy dx at the point x equal to 81 into delta x at that particular point. Putting the values, we will get this 3.009. Okay. Now, the second problem, that is square root of 0.037. So, again we have to take the function y is equal to f of x, that is x to the power 1 by 2. So, differentiation of y with respect to x, that is 1 by 2 x to the power minus 1 by 2. Let x is equal to 0.04 and delta x is equal to minus 0.003, because this 0.04 minus 0.003, that is equal to this 0.037. So, f of this one, that is f of 0.04 plus delta y, that is dy dx into delta x for x is equal to 0.04. Now, putting these values, we will get the value of root over of 0.037, that is equal to 0.1925. Next problem, find the increment and differential of the function f of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 2 when x changes to 3.02 from 3. So what is the given function? It is 2x square minus 3x plus 2. So differentiating we will get f dash x is equal to 4x minus 3. Now x changes, it is given that x changes to 3.02 from 3. So what is the increment in x, which is denoted by delta x? That is equal to 3.02 minus 3, that is 0.02. Okay. Now increment in f of x. This delta x we got increment in x, now increment in f of x. What is it? That is f of x plus delta x minus f of x. Okay. X plus delta x, that is 3.02, and f of x means 3. Okay. Putting these values 3.02 and 3 in the given function, we will get these two values, and subtracting we will get 0.1808. Okay. Now the differential of the function f of x. What is this? It is delta f of x, that is equal to f dash x into delta x. All these values we have to put, that is f dash x means 4x plus 3, putting x equal to 3, 4 into 3 minus 3 into the value of delta x, that is 0.02, putting we will get 0.18.